welcome to my channel Educare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. Today we will move to discuss about divisibility test. Rules for divisibility. Consider first one, divisibility by 2. If any number is divisible by 2 when the digit at unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay. Consider an example. First number 3, 5, 8, 2 is there. In unit place 2 is there. So it is divisible by 2. Consider another one example. 28 is there. In unit place 8 is there. So it is also divisible by 2. Consider another one example. 30 is there. In unit place 0 is there. So it is also divisible by 2. This type we identify if any number is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, this type we consider divisibility by 3. If any number is divisible by 3 when sum of all digits of a number is a multiple of 3. Okay, consider an example. 4, 5, 3 is their first number. Consider first number. 4 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 4, 5, 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 is multiple of 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay. Consider another an example. 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4. Add these 3. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 0 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 4 15. 15 is multiple of 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. Okay, this type we identify any number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay.